Hey, so we keeping it busy with the browns, and today, as promised, I'm gonna show you guys how to make these rounded chicken burrito tacos. Good, so yummy. Just keep watching.
Yeah. This little buster.
So here's everything you're gonna need in order to make these amazing tacos that I was speaking of a few weeks ago. You need the taco seasoning, you need the butter, you need the cheese, you need the lettuce, you need the ground chicken, you need your bread. I'll be using these to make those tacos though. And you need your sour cream, this, diced tomatoes and green chilies, and yeah.
So I love the fact that this is a really easy meal to make. It's really easy. All you have to do is go ahead and really brown your chicken up, and then after that,
All right, so the chicken is still cooking, but what I'm gonna be adding in the taco seasoning and the rotel can of tomatoes. So, yeah. So the chicken is cooking. Then I'm gonna go in and add the taco seasoning mix and this rotel. Even though it wasn't that much fat on it, I still drained it because I don't know. I just feel like the taco meat is too greasy and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 of these in and the rotel, and I'll be back. So now I'm gonna add this. This is what we are working with. We've already added the taco seasoning and the rotel sauce. So yeah. You know what? I ended up adding almost a whole nother cup of water because I do have to dip the bread in the broth. So yeah. Now I'm gonna put the top on and let this boil. First I'm gonna let it boil, then I'll put on the top on and let it simmer for about 8-10 minutes, and then I'll come back and go ahead and make the burrito tacos.
so I'm taking a little break. But once that thing go beep, 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 then we back at it.
As you can see, it's good and ready. I told y'all it was super easy, so now I'm gonna go ahead and make the tacos. And sit it right there. Flip it over. Right.
Alright, so as you can see, they are all done.
Put the knife down. No.
So the boys don't really like these like that. They don't know how to appreciate something really good, and that's okay. But I'm gonna make them regular tacos. They're gonna roll up tacos.
gone for 2 days.
Thursday safe for that.
I say. I was in regular. I was in regular taco now.
All right, I'm about to get you one out the kitchen.
Yeah. You bad.
Yeah.
This food busted.
It's good. Oh, he ate all his food. You want another taco,
And
Aiden?
it's still going. You need to break it.
This food is a 10 out of 10 next time.
Period. Let me know if y'all want more. And that is a wrap. Thanks for hanging out with the Browns. If you like this recipe, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye.